up, guys? If you notice, the camera might look a little different today. Apparently my settings got changed on my camera and I never knew that, so I had to reset all the settings for some reason, and so all the colors should look proper now. Not quite sure why that changed, but we are actually meeting up with Ben. We're about to go pick up his car from Samuel's, and we'll do a reveal of what he had done, and then hopefully you guys can comment down below and tell us what you think. Nah.
You fucked up.
I didn't fucking up enough.
You had your cover on for your lips.
No.
Yo, we're in it. Wait.
What do you want?
The world. And everything in it.
Mm-hmm.
So Kyler, did Kyler hit you up?
No. Why?
Because, you know how he went to DB?
Alright, am I supposed to look at this first for you?
Yeah, go ahead, look at it.
We're gonna go look at this before Ben does. Looks pretty good. Fitment's pretty good.
Real reaction of, you know, me seeing the car after they'd done the work. So I don't know what Wang's opinion is so far, but
I have to look at it without the camera to really inspect it.
there we go. So Wang said he has to look at it without the camera to really inspect it. I'm gonna go look at it now. I'm gonna hand the GoPro to Wang so we can get a real, what's that called?
Reaction?
Yeah, a real reaction, a real life reaction. I'm gonna close my eyes.
We just, as he gets over here.
Tell me when to stop because I don't know where I'm going.
Keep going. Oh, you're about to walk in water. Go to your left. And, alright, let's look.
Oh man, I don't want to look. Oh man. Oh, it's so tough. God. Yo. Woo. Alright. Yo. I don't even know what to say, low key.
Oh, I forgot about the vents, dog.
You forgot about the vents?
I forgot about the vents.
I know. Yo. It's so tough. Wow. That is literally spooky. How well they got that paint match. Oh my god. Here, let me take the cameras. You tell me.
Look at these vents. I need to adjust my camera settings again, but, you know.
Alright guys, let me...
Okay, so Ben's super excited. I think it looks pretty good. I'm usually OCD about paint, so that's why I told him to come to Samuel's. They're really good at paint matching. And then from what we can see so far, with everything being painted, it looks pretty close. I think I showed you guys some of the footage already, but like these areas right here were all repainted, and I can't really tell a difference. I think it's spot on. All right, so I'm trying to show Ben. I don't know if y'all can see this. So this is this has the PPF, this doesn't, and if you can tell, there's same flake, exact same flake, if they repainted the whole door. And this one's the new one, so let's say they didn't, but all the flake is like exactly the same. It's really hard to see on camera, but matching flake is extremely hard to do. So Ben, what do you think, man?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm shook, man. Like, wow. Like, I knew it was gonna look good, you know, because, I mean, we all know what, you know, the CSs look like, obviously, you know. It comes with the hood. Obviously, it comes with different interior and things of that nature. It comes with a different front lip. But, you know, I see them almost every other day, because I'm a BMW technician. I work for BMW, so I see CSs. They come into the shop. You see the hood, you're like, wow, you know, that looks great. But to see it on your own car, I don't know. It's just like a world of difference. You know what I'm saying? Because you see it on somebody else's car, you're like, wow, it looks great. But when you see it on your own car, and to see it look as good as this looks, Samuel's Auto Body definitely understood the assignment, and they absolutely killed it. I'm 100% blown away. I don't even want to take the car. I just want to pull it back in there wherever it was sitting and just leave it in there because it just looks too good to drive. I'm too worried to mess anything up. But wow, wow, wow. Definitely looks good. Definitely.
Car looks good. Alright, so we're going downstairs. We're going to grab Kyler. He just came by. He wants to check out the car. We're going to help him with some other stuff on his car before I go rock climbing. So, grabbing him right now. Well, well, well.
What's up?
What up?
Long line?
What do you want? What do you want?
Trying to drive.
You said what?
Where you at?
Where you at?
Waiting on you.
Don't tell me where you're at.
In the garage. En el garaje. Amigo.
You're on the first floor?
Ven aquí. Oh, there's Danny.
Well, I used to shoot that shit like that to me.
Whoa.
Whoa, we're filming.
Oh, shit. Well, now y'all know I'm a killer.
Cold-blooded. To the roof.
Yeah, you gotta walk.
That's fine with me. I'm black. I got slave feet. Yeah, put that on YouTube.
Oh my god.
YouTube is rated R today.
Dear Lord.
Keep up.
Yeah, we need the reacts.
Might as well just run my car straight off this freaking parking garage roof. God. All it needs is icon headlights. But even without them, it looks so good. Yeah, speechless.
It's fucked up.
Can't even park next to it now.
It's bright as hell, man. I forgot my shades. Kyler's paint is super glossy, so you know I can't see nothing. I feel like Wang right now. Nah, this one. And then you put a...
I'm next, is that what you said?
Next, baby.
Bro, I got a cage. Oh, wait. They're not supposed to hear that.
Cage is a flex, don't get me wrong. But ain't nobody gonna see that shit.
What you mean they're not gonna see that? I drive with my windows down the whole time.
What percent tints do you have?
Not dark.
It's harder to tell in the coupe than it is the four doors. Just...
Yo, all in one day, I ended up winning his raffle somehow. I don't even know how. It just happened.
Random.
Yeah, holy shit.
You entered.
We got some spray.
P&S interior cleaner, so that's good for everything in the interior.
Hell yeah. Need some of that.
Pretty good. And for BMW Invasion specifically, we got some Dream Maker.
Hell yeah.
Glossy gloss.
Yeah.
I'll give you some towels too.
Dope.
Oh yeah. The Rag Company hooking it up for 2022.
This is my bag of microfibers I just got. Thanks to
Get
Kyler
get
and the Rag Company. Yeah.
Yeah.
fin here.
Mine just look more aggressive because of that black.
We got the emblem stock one on. We're gonna put another IND one on eventually at some point. But we're gonna close out this video. I'll probably be dipping out. They'll have to install them by themselves because I gotta go rock climb. Peace.